Hey everyone, I'm going to make a double loop name chain, and I'm calling it double because I'm going to have them going on each side. And I also doubled the ribbons and I reversed them. As you can tell, I've got the black on top of the orange and the orange on top of the black. What you need is 6 inches of ribbon, or strips cut into 6 inches. This is a 1 1/4 inch poly satin. You can use acetate and you can use any width you want, but you always want to cut them in 6 inches long. Okay, to make these, I just take an orange and a black, and on this one I'm gonna overlap the black on top. And you can do this wide like that, or as narrow as you want. This is about where I'm doing these. Fold them in half. So you've got a nice little loop, and I can go like this to make sure that I'm doing them the same width. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put a staple in these. You don't have to, but it makes it easier. And then I'm going to trim off the top. I just want them to look neat. Okay, now I'm going to make one with the orange on top. Again, I just want to leave a little bit there. And fold these in half. And you see I cut those way too long. The staple. I'm just going to trim that off. Okay. Now to start, I want to do, and the reason why I've got these on this side and this on this side is because that's the pattern I want to make. To start this off, I want to put this one about right here. Starting these are the hardest things, the most difficult, these first two. So I want to overlap this one just a little bit. Staple. So it looks like that. I'm going to take another one of these and I'm going to overlap there just a little bit. And I'm going to go over just a little bit. Like that. You want to cover up these staples. Like that. Again, I'm going to overlap a little bit, and then I'm going to go over a little bit. Something like this. Overlap, just covering up the staples, and I'm going over just a little bit. On this side. And then overlapping a little bit. You can see it, and the staples are pretty much covered up. Now you can put just a name down one side, or you can put a name on both sides, or you can go like this with the names. You can take sparkles and put on there. You can take glitter ribbon. And overlap it here. You can go all the way up to the top so you don't see the end, or if you just want to do a partial one, then I suggest putting like a bow on it, different colored bows to cover that up, or some tinsel, or just some kind of bling that you have. I've got this flower bling. I could just cut like 3 of those off and do that like that. Several different things you can do to pretty that up, and then also to cover the staples. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks.